Hello beautiful people, I hope you had a great weekend and you got a chance to get some suntan. I have a sunny nail art for you, a neon Monstera on a neon yellow background. There's a lot of neon there. Enjoy it and let me know what you think about it. Okay, so I'm starting with Mimosa gel polish, and then later I will use transparent green gel polish. I'm applying one layer of Mimosa, cured in the lamp, and apply another one. Then I'm taking stickers, gold fashion stickers, and apply 1, 2, 3. Then applying a little bit of this transparent gel polish, green gel polish, in one layer, and then if you want you can add another one. So another layer of this gel polish is applied, and of course each layer was cured in the lamp. Then the next step is application of a matte top coat. Once it's done, I paint my Monstera leaf. I'm using here 3 different gel polish colors. And those colors are Lady Violet, it's the first color I'm using, then Cosmopolitan, it's like darker pink, and then Watermelon, and it's like lighter pinkish, coralish color. So one Monstera and then the other one. I just blend the colors as it goes with the brush, and the brush I'm using, it's a Detailer number 3. Of course, all products are made by Magnetic Nail Design. This is just a rough design with gel polishes. I didn't paint it or didn't sketch it before, so if you needed to make it bigger, you can make it bigger. It's basically just a leaf-in that has some holes inside. And that was cured in the lamp, and then using the same colors, I'm adding some leafy, branchy thing. It's exactly the same colors, so just drawing something, as you can see. And I'm using here a Detailer, very detailed brush, and this brush is Jessica's Choice. Before I was also using brush Detailer number 3 for the design. Okay, all of that was cured in the lamp. Then I'm applying again a matte top coat, a thin layer. Thin layer, it's enough. If you're using a matte top coat that has a sticky layer, make sure you wipe off the sticky layer. Here I'm using another brush. This is a smaller brush. This is Katarina's Choice. So it has smaller tip and just much easier to paint. And I'm outlining the whole design. Basically, once that's outlined, it goes to the lamp, it's cured, and then it is. That's all there is needed. I hope you like the design. All the details that you do with this white liner gel are actually the most important. So I'm making it a little bit slower here. I added a little veins in the leaves and then a few dotties. I hope you like it. Let me know what you think about it, and I wish you a lovely evening. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again. Bye!